Should you buy the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus? Roomba's J7 Plus robot vacuum lies between the top-of-the-range Roomba S9 Plus and the Roomba i7 Plus. This is iRobot's smartest Roomba to date, using AI to detect and identify objects, such as a wire left on the floor, or a sock that escaped from the laundry basket to the washing machine. With a compact base station, the robovac deposits dust from its 14-ounce, 0.4-liter dust canister into a 57-ounce, 1.7-liter bag that will likely need to be changed around every 60 days, albeit this will depend on how often it services your floors. At $799.99, £899.99, the Roomba J7 Plus is a costly robotic vacuum, particularly if you consider that it does not include a mopping feature. Roomba J7 Plus has a circular design in contrast to Roomba S9 Plus, which has a D-shaped design. It measures 13.3 by 13.3 by 3.4 inches, 33.8 by 33.8 by 8.6 centimeters and features matte black plastic with gunmetal accents. It features a single button on the top of the robovac to begin or stop cleaning, or to send the robot vacuum back to its base when held down for 5 seconds. The robot vacuum is encased in a plastic bumper on top and features 2 wheels and a swivel wheel on the underside for navigating around your home. Rubber brush bars flex to suit different floor types, according to iRobot, and ensure that hair, whether human or pet, does not become entangled. Also included is a 3-arm side brush for cleaning edges and crevices in the room. The J7 Plus features a 14-ounce, 0.4-liter dust box, along with floor tracking and cliff sensors, as well as a camera, which help it to navigate through your home, and to avoid falling down the stairs. Measures 12.55 by 13.39 by 15.35 inches, 31.9 by 34 by 39 centimeters, HXWXD, and features a textured design for a sleeker look over most charging and emptying docks. Clean base includes 2 dirt disposal bags, 1 fitted into the clean base, and 1 spare. The J7 Plus was also able to recognize and avoid obstacles that we purposefully placed in its path, including a charging cable and socks. The J7 Plus robot vacuum proved to be very quiet when cleaning carpets and hard floors, with a maximum decibel reading of 64 dB on our decibel meter. As soon as the vacuum is connected to Wi-Fi, you can use the iRobot app to begin a full clean. Roomba J7 Plus will log any obstacles it encounters in the app as photos that can be examined to determine whether it is a temporary obstacle, an area the robot vacuum should avoid, or a false positive. Using the app, you can also set a schedule for when the robot vacuum should clean, and adjust what the robot vacuum should do when its dust canister is full. Roomba does not state how long its battery lasts between charges, but whenever it runs out of battery, it will automatically return to its charging station. The J7 Plus required 3 hours to fully recharge.